The following segment is sponsored by Northern Nevada Health System.
Hey, we're back here at Northern Nevada Sierra Medical Center for Heart Health, talking about sneaky veggies, especially when it comes to keeping your heart healthy. We are here with Olivia Comin, and you are a dietitian here.
Yes.
So what are some of the best ways to sneak veggies? I mean, I'm sure all moms are their ears are perking up right now. Veggies can be really difficult.
Yeah, so there's a lot of unique ways you can sneak veggies into meals that you may not normally think about. So for example, you can shred zucchinis and carrots into batters for things like breads or muffins. If you're making things with like a ground meat, you can replace some of the meat with mushrooms or cooked lentils or black beans. You can make your own pasta sauces, throw all your fresh ingredients into a blender like tomatoes or spinach for some green pasta. Also for things like cheesy pasta, we know all of our kids like mac and cheese, so you can sneak in some orange vegetables like sweet potatoes, squash, or carrots.
Okay, I almost tuned out when you said zucchini bread because that sounds delicious, but all those are really great ideas that I think maybe a lot of us hadn't thought about before. You made some smoothies over here. I'm really excited to try this. Why is this smoothie such a good option for sneaking in those veggies?
So yeah, smoothies, they're really easy, they're convenient, they're portable, and you can combine a lot of different types of fruits and vegetables in them. You can prepare the ingredients the night before and then throw it in the blender in the morning, or you can even prepare it, the whole smoothie the night before for a quick grab and go. And also a lot of people, they're not big breakfast people, and they may find that eating in the morning is not their favorite thing because they're not hungry, but they still need nutrition to get them to the afternoon, and they may find that a smoothie is an easier way to get some nutrition in.
So when it comes to smoothies and what you put in this smoothie and really just all of your cooking, does it matter if the ingredients are fresh or frozen?
So it really comes down to personal preference. Produce, when it's being frozen, it's picked at peak ripeness, and then frozen rather quickly, so the nutrients stay in the product for longer. I personally, when I'm making smoothies, like to use frozen produce because it keeps it cold, so you don't have to add the extra ice. So if you're finding that produce is going bad on your counter, trying frozen produce might be a better alternative, and it also prevents food waste and saves you money. So if you are buying fresh produce, I do recommend buying produce that's in season because it'll save you money and help you get more variety in your meals.
So when it comes to unique ingredients that you can add to a smoothie, I don't know what I'm tasting in this one. What is in this one, and what are some other unique ingredients you like to add?
So this smoothie has beets and blueberries, and that's what gives the smoothie its beautiful red color is the beets. But also the pigment in the beets also acts as an antioxidant, as well as the blue and purple pigments in the blueberries. There's also pineapple in it. Pineapple is really high in vitamin C. There's also chia seeds, which are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. And then there's Greek yogurt for protein, and then a little bit of almond milk to just help blend it all together.
That is delicious. I'll have to write that recipe down. Olivia, thank you so much. If you missed that or you want to watch it again, you can find it on our website, foxreno.com. Just search Family 411.